So here's how to get Amenti or download Amenti on PC. First, we'll need to have Steam, and then once you're logged in, you can go to Store section and then search for Amenti. Click on the first result, and now click Add to Cart. And then if it's already in the cart, you can click Cart here, and it will take you to the cart. Now click Continue to Payment, and now select your payment method. For example, PayPal here, click Continue, and then click on the PayPal logo, and it will take you to the PayPal to confirm the purchase. And once the purchase is completed, the game should be added to your library, and then you can simply click on it and click Install, and it will start downloading the game. And once the download is completed, you can simply play it. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe.